Okay, this is a piñata party. Piñatas for a fundraiser. Whole group of people in Margaret's house. Say hi. That's her husband there. Everybody say hi.
Who we say hello to?
There's two fundraisers in January. Making piñatas, part of a game, a competition, and we take balloons, blow them up, and make paper mache around them, string around them, so that we have something to hold on to, and then we tape around and hold the string in. And Margaret is playing in flower water. We've run out of the Elmer's glue and water, and now we're in flower water. And Debbie is still working on hers.
Yep, second one.
Maggie's here. We've got about 3 outside drying someplace on the clothesline. We've got a puppy helping us over there. Got the right idea. No sticky fingers for that puppy. And here we go. Lots of piñatas happening. Later on, after they dry, then we'll decorate them with paper mache and